Salibonani bantu bakithi. Today we're learning how to order food, drinks, and eat out in isiNdebele. By the end of the lessons, you'll be confident at ordering at street vendors, restaurants, and even sharing meals with friends. So come on, let's go! Let's start with some common foods. Repeat after me. Inyama. Inyama. Meat. Inyama yenkukhu. Inyama yenkukhu. Chicken. Inyama yenkomo. Inyama yenkomo. Beef. Isichwala. Isichwala. This is thick porridge mainly eaten in Southern Africa as a staple. Isichwala. Isinkwa. Isinkwa. Bread. Ibanana. Ibanana. A banana. Iapula. Iapula. An apple. Ikhabichi. Ikhabichi. Cabbage. Amanzi. Amanzi. Water. Ngicela. Ngicela. May I please have. Ngicela ukudla okuchisayo. Ngicela ukudla okuchisayo. May I please have some hot food. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Thank you very much. Ngicela okunye ukudla. May I please have more food. Ngicela okunye ukudla. Ngithatha lokhu. I'll have this. Ngithatha lokhu. Just a small tip. Ngicela makes your request sound more polite. It's more like saying please in English. So if you put ngicela in your requests, then you're going to sound more polite in isiNdebele. Salibonani. Ngicela isichwala lenyama yenkukhu. Yebo, kuza kuba ngamadola amabili. Yebo, ngicela lekhabichi encane. Kulungile. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngithatha lokho. Notice the polite tone. Always start with ngicela and end with ngiyabonga kakhulu. It makes locals smile. Now let's try a more formal scenario in a restaurant. Salibonani. Ngicela itafula labantu ababili. Yebo, lingahlala lapha. Nansi imenu. Likhetha kuphi ukudla. Ngizacela isichwala lenyama yenkomo. Usenze sibe ngesabantu ababili. Ngiyabonga. Bengicela lamanzi okunatha. Kuyachisa namuhla. See how you combine ngicela with polite phrasing to sound natural in restaurants? Practice this aloud. Ngabe uyafuna ukudla kwami? Do you want some of my food? Nanku ukudla. Here is some food. Siyakudla ndawonye. We will eat together. Siyakudla ndawonye. Mngani, ngabe uyafuna ukudla kwami? Yebo, ngiyabonga, ngilambile. Nanku ukudla, siyakudla ndawonye. These phrases make you sound like a true friend. Sharing food is very important in Zimbabwean culture. Mini quiz time. I'll say it in English, you say it in Ndebele. Let's go. May I please have some chicken? That's right. Ngicela inyama yenkukhu. A table for two, please. That's right. Ngicela itafula labantu ababili. Do you want some of my food? Ngabe uyafuna ukudla kwami? You got it right. Comment below which sentence was the hardest. I'll help you. And that's how you order food, drinks, and share meals like a local Ndebele. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if it helped you. Practice these phrases every day, and I'll see you next time.